Ningbo Bolenn was established in 2009, so they have so many years experience in the industry. Now, the factory is obviously ISO 9001 certified factory. The Bolenn factory exports to more than 40 regions around the globe. This factory is pretty modern, and it's got 35,000 square meters and with over 260 workers. And now let me give you some introduction about the product, how it works basically. When you touch the product, you can feel the quality, okay? And there is a special handle here. You can, turn it, all right? So it goes like this and different, here we go, and positions. So let me put it back, right here. The product has, when we talk about the ages, the product is designed for, different groups of kids. And it's from, the young born babies to up to like 4 years old babies. When we talk about the centimeters, the height of the baby, it's from 40 centimeters to 105 centimeters. So you can see there are like different adjusting, buttons here. For example, it's got, it lays down like that. It's a very solid, very good product, as far as I'm concerned. Ningbo Bolenn Manufacturing Company Limited recently invested 30 million RMB in automated injection machines. So these injection machines are fully automated. They have a robot arm here, and they use this special system, like fully automatic material feeding system. All right, this material feeding system is operated through basically different colored pipes, as you can see. Different colors stand for different purposes here. As I was told, there's injection like a feeding materials, and there's water, and there's electricity. This is how the machine operates. And as you can see, there's one person takes care of the product quality here. He inspects it, makes sure that everything is fine, and then passes it on to the next table. So this is how the injection workshop operates in Bolenn Manufacturing Company Limited. What you see behind me is an automatic cutting machine. As you can see here, the material, soft material, goes through this line, and then it approaches the cutting, the part of the machine. So the shapes actually pre-designed in the computer, and the machine just performs whatever the computer tells to the machine. So it's very precise. Actually, I want to show you one of the pieces here. As you can see, there are some big parts, big cuttings, and then there are some very small, very detailed parts as well. So here. All right, just like any other baby products, baby car seats should be very safe for the babies, okay? And so because of that, Ningbo Bolenn, they have their own testing lab to test the product, okay, if it's safe or if it's not safe. So as you can see here, they have all the machines for the safety purposes, making sure the product is safe before it leaves the factory. So when it reaches the customers, the product is safe enough to be used in real life.